Myself, Amalesh Chandra Ghotok, EC Department, GNIT. Today experiment is measurement of coupling factor, directivity, insertion loss and isolation of a directional coupler using X-band waveguide test bench setup. This is our directional coupler. This is port 1, this is port 2, port 3 and port 4. Port 1 and port 2 is main arm and port 3 and port 4 is auxiliary arm. This is X-band microwave test bench setup using Klystone oscillator. This is Klystone power supply, power on switch, HT switch, then meter display, meter selector switch, this knob varying beam voltage or beam current, this knob varying Rippler voltage, these two knobs are varying for amplitude modulation and these two knobs varying for frequency modulation. This is the modulation selector, CW, AM, FM and EXT. This is the EXT mode input. This is the output of this power supply. Now this is the Klystone oscillator. This is Klystone mount. This is Klystone tube. This is isolator. This is variable attenuator. This is cooling fan. This is frequency meter. And this is slotted section. And this is detector mount. And this is CRO. And this is match termination. And this is VSWR meter. VSWR meter power on switch and display are 4 scale. Uppermost is SWR, then expanded SWR, then dB and last is expanded dB. This is the meter selector, expanded, normal and -5 dB. This is range selector and this is input selector, always 200 ohm. This two knob is varying gain. This is fine, this is coarse and it is the input of this meter. This is our reading or result. First measure the Rippler voltage, then measure beam current, then beam voltage, frequency, that is resonant frequency or operating frequency, and VSWR measurement in dB, port 1, port 2, port 4 in a forward direction and port 4 in the reverse direction. And directional coupler parameters are insertion loss. Insertion loss is equal to P1 minus P2. Coupling factor is equal to P1 minus P4. Directivity is equal to P4 forward direction minus P4 reverse direction. Isolation loss is equal to directivity plus coupling factor. At first, set the beam voltage and beam current and Rippler voltage at the maximum peak. Note down the Rippler voltage. The Rippler voltage is minus 139 volt. Rippler voltage is minus 139 volt. This is our Rippler voltage. Then beam current. Beam current is 0.015. 0.015 amps. This is our beam current. Now beam voltage is 220 volt. Now beam voltage 220 volt. This is our beam voltage. Now measure the frequency. Varying the frequency meter. This is our frequency. Frequency is 9.75 gigahertz. The frequency is 9.75 gigahertz. Note down the frequency 9.75 gigahertz. Now measure the input power. Input power is same to P1. Power P1. Measure the input power. The input power is 30 dB. Range selected 30 dB and the dB scale showing 0. Red color dB is 0, scale showing 0 and range is 30. That is 30 dB minus 30 dB. So port P1 or input power is minus 30 dB. That is the input power or P1, 30 dB. Now remove this detector mount and fit this directional coupler. Port 1 is input. Now port 1 is input. Port 2 connected to detector mount and port 4 match termination. Then the value of VSWR P2 is 30 plus 4, 34 dB. P2 is minus 34 dB. Then P4. Now P4 is forward direction. P1 input, P2 match termination and P4 tunable detector connected. The P4 in forward direction value is the scale cross, then move the selector switch. The value P4 in forward direction is main scale reading is 6. Main scale reading is 6 and the meter selector range is 40 plus 6. 46. Then P4 in forward direction minus 46 dB. Now connection the directional coupler is reverse direction. P1 is input, P2 is input, P2 is input, P1 is matched, then P4 is reverse. Measure the value. Now connection is reverse direction. P2 is input, P1 matched, and P4 is detector mount. P4 output is measured. Measure the value. P4 reverse direction. The main scale reading is 8 dB and the range is selected 50. P4 reverse is 50 plus 8, 58 dB minus 58 dB, 58 dB. P3 terminal always match termination. Always this circuit is match circuit. Reverse direction. P2 is input, P1 is matched, and P3 is always match circuit, and P4 measurement the reverse direction. VSWR reading is minus 58 dB. Now insertion loss. Insertion loss is P1 minus P2. P1 minus 30 minus of 34 dB minus 30 minus 34 dB, that is 4 dB. Insertion loss is 4 dB. Then coupling factor P1 minus P4, P1 minus 30 minus P4, P4 is forward direction, that is minus 46, that is minus 46 dB is equal to 16 dB. Directivity is equal to P4 forward minus P4 reverse. P4 forward minus 46 minus of 58, that is 12 dB, that is 12 dB. And isolation loss is directivity plus coupling factor. Directivity plus coupling factor is equal to isolation loss. So directivity is 12 dB plus coupling factor is 16 dB, that is 28 dB. Finally, the result: repeller voltage minus 139 volt, beam current 0.015 ampere, beam voltage 220 volt, frequency, that is resonant frequency or operating frequency 9.75 GHz, VSWR measurement in dB, port 1, that is input P1 is equal to minus 30 dB, port 2, that is port 1 input and port 2 is output, and port 3 and port 4 is matched, then output is minus 34 dB, port 4 forward direction, then port 4 forward direction, port 1 is input, port 2 is matched, port 3 is matched circuit always, and port 4 is output minus 46 dB. Port 4 in reverse direction, when the input is port 2 and match circuit is port 1, then the port 4 reverse bias, the value is 58 dB, minus 58 dB. Now the directional coupler parameters: insertion loss is equal to P1 minus P2. P1 means port 1 minus port 2, that is port 1 value is minus 30 dB, port 1 minus 30 dB, and minus port 2 value is minus 34 dB, that is 4 dB. Insertion loss 4 dB. Coupling factor, port 1 minus port 4 in forward direction, port 1 value is minus 30 dB, and minus port 4 forward direction 46 dB, minus 46 dB. The coupling factor is 16 dB. And directivity is equal to port 4 forward direction minus port 4 reverse direction. Port 4 forward direction value is minus 46 dB, and minus of 58 dB, that is 12 dB. And last is isolation loss. Nothing but directivity plus coupling factor. Directivity is 12 dB and coupling factor is 12. Directivity is 12 dB and coupling factor is 16 dB. Then isolation loss is 28 dB. This is our experimental result.